For years, my clients and colleagues have said to me that they just need a Rosie in their pocket. What they mean by that is reminders to bring them back to tools and resources that can help them be better in the moment, and a voice that challenges their thinking and encourages them to live their best and most fulfilled life. I always took it as a compliment and had a good chuckle about it. And after so much feedback and prompting, I have decided to bring Rosie in my pocket to life. Small doses of learning and inspiration to guide you through this journey of life. Here's the teaching and inspiration that I want to share with you today. Let's talk about the value of moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. A couple of years ago, one of the early guests on my podcast was the amazing Lin Twist, and something she said in her book, Soul of Money, and on her podcast has stuck with me. She says that from the moment our feet hit the ground in the morning, we are operating from a dreadful scarcity mindset. There's not enough time, there's not enough money, there's not enough this, we're not enough, we don't have enough of this. And when that not enough mindset plagues us, we end up frantic, we end up anxious, we end up not appreciating all of the good that is around us. And so I've been thinking about that a lot lately, and how can we translate feeling that we have enough time, enough money, enough love, that we are enough just as we are, and we can work to be better versions of ourselves. They're not mutually exclusive. They can happen at exactly the same time. So my invitation for you this week is to pay attention to how much that scarcity mindset shows up for you. And when it does, see if in that moment you can practice a moment of gratitude that I have exactly what I need in this moment. I am enough in this moment, and see what opens up for you. See if it brings you some calm and clarity as you move forward. I would love to hear what opens up for you as you do this. And remember, you are enough, so never let anyone dull your sparkle. I'm so grateful to be on your leadership journey with you. And even though I'm not physically in your pocket, I certainly cherish the opportunity to share my heart and learnings to help you. If this message inspired you today, I'd love to hear from you, or gift me a review on Apple Podcasts. Be well, my friends, and now go add a little sparkle to your day.